Welcome back everyone, Teacher Redea here, and I want to welcome all of you to our 5th video lesson. Our topic for today is about natural forces. So for today's topic, you will discuss and we are going to learn about the natural forces that make things around us move. So for our reference, we should go over to our textbook, pages 106 until 110. So we always start our lesson with revision. So we will revise our previous topic about what can forces do. So we use forces to do things every day. So the 6 things that force can do are the following. Number 1, you can read this along with me. A force can start an object moving. A force can stop a moving object. A force can speed up or move faster a moving object. A force can slow an object down. A force can change the direction of an object. And last, a force can change the shape of an object. So without further ado, let us start with our lesson. So, natural forces. You will see different clips about forces that we can observe in nature. So there are forces in nature that make things move. Like for example, this one. What can you see here? Yes, flags flap. So I want you to think, what makes these flags flap? And another one here, this is a pinwheel. So this is being moved by what? I know you already have an idea in your mind. So the first natural force that we can observe around us is the wind. Yes. So these objects here are being moved by wind. So a wind is a moving air. So let's keep going. Now, I want you to observe what happened to these things. To the feather, to this pencil, and to this rock. So they are what? Okay, they are falling down. Another one here. Look at this boy. So he's sitting and an apple here falls down from the apple tree. So we can think that there must be something that makes these things move down. And that is the second natural force that you will learn. And that is what we call gravity. So say the word again, gravity. So gravity, a force that pulls things down. So remember children, that anything that falls down, that is because of what we call gravity. So gravity again, a force that pulls things down. That's the second natural force. This time, I want you to look at this carefully. As you can see here, the logs are what? Being moved along the river by what? Yes, look at that. And another one here. The wheel here is being moved by what? I know that you have an answer now, in your mind to the third natural force in our nature, and that is the water, or the moving water. So moving water force, that is the force that comes from the water. So water also can make things move. Not only this, and also this one. Look at this one. These are the seaweeds. So how come these seaweeds were able to come along the shore? That is because of the waves. That is because of the moving water also. So the water, or the moving water, push seaweeds onto shore. Okay, so you know now the three natural forces. So just think, what or how would it be if there is no force in the world? Without forces at work, the world would be a place without motion, still and boring. So imagine the world without force. But you know what? Forces can also be frightening. It is also scary. I want you to look at this. Yes, that is a moving water. So look at what can the force of a moving water do to the city. Do you know what is this, children? This is what we call tsunami. Okay. Say the word again. Tsunami. Tsunami known as a killer waves. So now you can see and you understand why tsunami is called as a killer waves. Because look at that. And this, what happens to that place after tsunami? Look at this. So it can what? It is a very destructive force that can wipe out the entire village, not only village, the entire place completely. Okay, not only that, look at this. So this is caused by wind. And this is what we call a tornadoes. Okay, say the word tornadoes. So a tornado swirl in circles over land or sea, and this is caused by a very strong wind. Another one, look at this clip here. So this is also caused by a very strong wind. This one is what we call hurricanes. Say the word hurricanes. Okay. Hurricanes can blow off branches or even uproot trees. Look at that one. So these two are examples of a strong force caused by wind that it can even move faster than a Formula One race car. Can't you believe that? This is faster than F1 car, the racing car. And here, as you can see, this is what a place looks like after a hurricane. Look at that. Okay, now let us try to do this short exercise here. So I want you to identify the natural force that causes these movements. If it is being caused by gravity, if it is being caused by water or wind. Okay, here it goes. Number 1. Look at that. So that is being caused by what? Okay, by the wind. The second one. So when you move here, you move up and then you slide down. So this is because of what? Is it caused by gravity, water, or wind? Okay, gravity. Remember that gravity is a force that pulls things down. Next, look at this one. Look at the house. The house is floating. And this is being caused by what? Okay, by water. So, we already finished our lesson for today. And before we end, I want you to remember these points. So, you can read this along with me. There are forces in nature that make things move. Natural forces like wind. It is a moving air. Number 2, gravity, a force that pulls things down. And moving water, force coming from water. And remember this also, although forces can be useful, they can also destroy things like tsunamis, hurricanes, and tornadoes. Okay, so that's all for today, boys and girls. And thank you for listening. Keep safe always, and see you next time. Bye for now.